How to fix your account was compromised Instagram problem. So, the first step, if you are having a problem like this one, that your account was compromised, what I would suggest is to make sure to click on change password right here. So, if you cannot click on the change password, what I would suggest is that you go to your web browser such as Chrome or Safari and then go to Instagram.com and sign in with your account. Once you have signed in your account, you may click on the change password right here and simply follow the steps needed. So that includes entering your email address and then you should make sure that that email address is active so that Instagram may send a code or a link in which you may be able to log in with your Instagram account. So again, you just click on change password, input or provide an email that is working, go to that email and click on that link or that code, and now you should be opening your account or your Instagram account now. So that's it. That's how you can fix your account was compromised Instagram problem. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.